Hello everyone. In this video today, I'll be going to show you how to create a GitHub repository and how to link your project to GitHub using Git. So if you are new to our channel, press the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified if I upload another video. So let's get into the video. First of all, you need to be downloading Git and installing it on your laptop or your PC. And next, what you need to be doing is you need to go to your PowerShell on Windows. You shouldn't be using command prompt because it won't accept some of the Linux commands that we'll be using. So first of all, you need to be configuring the Git by setting your name, email, and you need to be setting your default branch to main, and you need to be setting up your SSH key and etc. So you need to be typing the commands that I'm typing. So inside the quotation mark, you need to be typing your username. It can be anything, but your email should be the same mail ID that you have given to GitHub. So next command is to set the default branch to main. By default, it will be on the master branch. Sorry, I thought it was missed. Next command is to for UI, for colorful UI. Next command is to check both your username and mail ID that you have entered at first. And at last, you need to be setting your SSH key for your GitHub account. So type the command that I'm typing, SSH key and -T and ed25519 space -C, then your GitHub mail ID, GitHub account ID, and just tap enter. It will be stored on the folder called .sh on this on my directory name. Now you need to be typing a password. It will be asking you the password every time you push into the GitHub repository. So you need to be remembering it. Now this SSH key has been successfully created. Now you need to be going into the GitHub website. You'll be signing into your account. What you need to be doing is you need to be adding your SSH key to the account. Click on SSH and GPG keys, new SSH key, and I'm gonna name it as sample. Now you need to be going into the .sh folder, and it contains a file named this .pub extension. It contains the SSH key. You need to be typing cat command in order to see what's inside it, and this is the SSH key that has been created. I need to copy this key and paste it here and click on add SSH key. The SSH key has been successfully added. What you need to do is you need to create a new repository. I'm gonna name it as sample, and this is your wish. You need to keep it as, you may need to keep it as private or public, it's your wish, and this is also your wish, and click on create repository. Now the repository has been created successfully, named sample. You need to click on SSH and copy the git link and go to your command prompt And in this regard, what you need to be doing is you need to be going to the desired location where you need to place your project. In my case, going to the D partition. I'm gonna type the command git clone and I'm gonna paste the link that has been copied from GitHub. Are you sure I want to continue connecting as type your password. Now you can see a directory named sample. Now you need to be opening the directory. It won't be containing any file, just a hidden file .git. Now you need to paste your project into that folder named sample. In my it's sample, and in for you it will be named by the name of your repository. Consider this as my project. For example, I'm going to copy this and paste it into the sample folder. Now I'm gonna enter into the sample folder and type the command git status. It will be showing untracked files because the file has been added now and we haven't added it to the GitHub. So first of all, we need to type the command git add and the repository and the folder name. It will be starting the process. And it's done. And the next command you need to be typing is git commit. Type something which you might be correct for you, like it's like a kind of a description which helps you to remember. Just done. And the next command is git push. Then this is the last command. Asking you the password, you need to enter the password. Now it's pushing the file to GitHub. Now you can refresh the GitHub page. Now you'll see a project has been uploaded to GitHub. So this is how you need to be adding a project to GitHub. And if you need to edit your file which is inside the test directory in my case, and after editing it you need to be typing the same command called git status. It will be showing you there are some things that you need to add, and again you need to type the command git add, and then if you're adding a new file you need to type git add. Otherwise, if you're editing a file you need to type the command git commit and enter some message that will be useful for you to remember. And next you need to type the same command git push. That's it. Thanks.